first wala, whether it is true or false. First one is definitely false. This is wrong. Okay, why wrong? Because of course there is a square root, so you cannot take the square roots common. This is a mathematical blunder. What can you say about second one? These are cube roots. Okay, we don't have the number 3. This is a cube root. What can you say? Okay, so definitely this is also false. You cannot take cube roots common. Understood or not? What about this? Okay, so since there is a multiplication sign, so you can, instead of taking out the individual cube roots of these numbers, you can combine them in a single cube root. This is mathematically correct, with certain restrictions of course, but it is correct. Understood or not? If you are dealing with real numbers, it is correct. This I say is correct. What about this? Okay, so A by D multiplied by B plus C. So I have written it as A into B plus C upon D, and then I have written it as A into B plus C the whole upon D. So many are saying that it is false. It is definitely correct. There is absolutely no problem. This is definitely true. Why? तो इसमें एक चीज देखिएगा, what has happened since B plus C is together, यहां पे भी तो भैया क्या फर्क पड़ता है? आप A by D को अलग से डिवाइड करके मल्टीप्लाई विद द रिजल्ट B plus C. Followed or not? Take this result, divide by D, then multiply by A. Getting what I am saying? कुछ भी करें, this operation is definitely true. ये सब स्टेप्स आपको एकदम क्लियर होना चाहिए, क्रिस्टल क्लियर, because they will take away your 1 1 2 2 half 1 1 2 2 marks, and you will keep realizing that why am I not progressing in mathematics. Followed? The main target, sir, syllabus should be completed. Let us complete the syllabus. What about the fundamental, the base? This is the base on which we are going to create the structure. You are completing syllabus after syllabus, but you are making the same mistakes again and again in every question. You should be 100% sure that this operation is correct or wrong. Here you see this operation is definitely correct. Why? You got it clear? What about this one? Here I have done what? I have cancelled A and A, and I have written it as x plus b upon y plus b. True or false? Beta, this is a mathematical joke. It is false. It is nonsense. High quality nonsense should not be done. Perform sit-ups if you have done something like this. हाँ जी बोलिए भैया, जब प्लस साइन है, when there is a plus sign, even if you want to cancel this A and A, you cannot cancel. आई बात समझ में? Don't do. ठीक? 1 by 3 plus 2 by x equals to 1 by 7. Then 3 by 1 plus x by 2 equals to 7 by 1. It is true or not? We have taken reciprocal on both the sides. Yes? Tell me true or false. Beta, this is okay. So please keep it in mind. This is high quality nonsense. You know, mathematical equation को पनीर टिक्का की तरह ऐसे ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. Are you understanding? You cannot flip. Now listen, what's the rule of flipping? The concept is to explain also कि भाई कब कर सकते हैं कब नहीं कर सकते. एक ऑपरेशन आता है, बोलते हैं taking reciprocal on both the sides. In the chapter of ratio and proportion we say it is invertendo. What is invertendo? Taking reciprocal on both the sides. So that is possible, but for that we must have a single fraction on this side and a single fraction on the other side. For example, if I have x plus 2 upon y minus 3 equals to 7 upon x minus 8. Now sir, can I flip both the sides? Tell me. I am writing it as y minus 3 upon x plus 2 equals to x minus 8 upon 7. Tell me, can we flip on both the sides or not? Yes? Tell me. Yes, true. Now we can do. But then why did you stop here? You said this is okay, this is wrong. Because this is a single fraction on LHS and single fraction on RHS. You can flip both the sides. What was the problem here? This plus sign. Since we had plus sign, now what we should do? We can take the LCM, then we can flip. So this is a mistake. Did you understand? What can you say about this? Okay, so definitely this is false, nonsensical, does not make sense, because you cannot take cube common over the sign of addition or even the sign of multiplication. Sorry, you cannot take it common over the sign of addition or subtraction, but you can do it over multiplication or division. What about this? This is correct, this is not a big problem. Why? Because you have a cube, b cube, c cube, so you can take the whole common. Take the cube common, it's the same thing. You can distribute it wherever it is required. What about this? True? Okay, this is true. Why? Because 2 goes inside. So 2 once 2 is outside the square root. Okay, no problem. No problem. Once it comes inside, 2 becomes 4. Once it becomes 4, you will multiply it with the first element also and second element also. So this will become 4x plus 4y. Absolutely no problem. This step is correct. What about this? Think and tell me true or false. Okay, so this is definitely true. Why? Because I have taken square root over the entire term, b square plus 1. Had I taken it separately, if I would have taken root a, then we would have taken root square root of b square plus square root of 1. So square root of b square will become b and square root of 1 will become 1. If I do that, then it is definitely wrong, blunder, paap hai. This is correct. Did you understand? Ji. हाँ. Anything which is outside the square root, जब वो अंदर जाएगा, स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. कोई परफेक्ट स्क्वायर अंदर रहेगा, बाहर आएगा तो स्क्वायर रूट हो जाएगा. जैसे इनसाइड द रूट में 16 है, तो 16 बाहर आके क्या बन जाएगा? 4. वेरी गुड. चलिए.